Hi everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. For years we've heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, fueling our bodies, jump-starting metabolism, and keeping us slim. But is this really true? New research is challenging the old dogma. The truth is, the impact of breakfast isn't black and white. Our bodies are adaptable, and what works for one person may not work for another. The myth? Everyone must eat breakfast to be healthy. The reality? Different eating patterns can work for different people. In this video, we'll break down the science behind breakfast, fasting, and fat burning, so you can decide what's right for you. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Why we're fasting in the morning. Intermittent fasting has made skipping breakfast more popular than ever. The most common method? Fast for 16 hours. Eat during an 8-hour window, usually by skipping breakfast and eating your first meal at noon. Fans of fasting say it helps with weight loss, metabolic health, and even brain function. The science. When you fast, your body switches from burning glucose to burning stored fat. For some, skipping breakfast is just practical. Mornings are busy, or they're simply not hungry. Our modern, sedentary lifestyles mean the old 3 meals a day rule may not fit everyone. Skipping breakfast has become a simple way for many to manage weight and health. But is it right for you? That depends on your body and your goals. Let's look at how our bodies actually burn fuel. Chapter 2. How we burn fuel. Think of your body as a hybrid engine, running on glucose from food or fat from storage. After you eat, insulin rises and your body uses glucose for energy, storing any extra as glycogen. As long as glucose is available, fat burning is on hold. When you fast, like overnight or by skipping breakfast, insulin drops and your body taps into fat stores for energy. This is why meal timing matters. Eating first thing switches off fat burning, while fasting extends it. Metabolic flexibility, the ability to switch between burning carbs and fat, is key. Diets high in processed carbs can make this harder, leading to insulin resistance. Skipping breakfast may help some people stay in a fat-burning state longer. But it's not just about skipping a meal. It's about supporting your body's natural rhythms. Chapter 3. The real-world impact of your first meal. Meet Sarah and David, two people with different breakfast habits. Sarah eats sugary cereal for breakfast, causing a blood sugar spike and crash, leading to mid-morning cravings. David skips breakfast, drinks black coffee, and eats a balanced lunch at noon, staying in fat-burning mode longer and feeling satisfied. But if David overeats later, skipping breakfast backfires. If Sarah swaps her cereal for eggs and avocado, she stays full and avoids cravings. The lesson? The quality of your meals and your total daily calories matter more than meal timing. Skipping breakfast isn't a magic bullet, nor is eating it. What you eat, and how much, is what really counts. Choose the approach that helps you make better food choices all day. Let's see who benefits most from each strategy. Chapter 4. Who should break the fast and who should wait? Should you eat breakfast or skip it? It depends on your needs. Kids, teens, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and people with certain medical conditions should eat breakfast. Those with diabetes or a history of eating disorders should avoid fasting without medical advice. Some people just feel better eating in the morning. Others thrive skipping breakfast. If you're not hungry in the morning and don't overeat later, fasting might work for you. For others, a protein-rich breakfast helps control appetite and energy. The key: listen to your body and experiment. There's no universal rule. Find what fits your lifestyle and health goals. Consistency matters more than any single meal. Now, does skipping breakfast really burn more fat? Chapter 5. Who should break the fast and who should wait? So, does skipping breakfast automatically burn more fat? Not exactly. Fat loss comes from a sustained calorie deficit, not from skipping one meal. Fasting can help some people eat less overall and extend fat-burning time, but it's not a magic solution. If skipping breakfast leads to overeating later, it won't help you lose fat. The real secret: focus on what and how much you eat all day. A balanced, whole foods diet is the foundation for fat loss, no matter when you eat. For some, fasting works. For others, a healthy breakfast is better. Move beyond the breakfast versus fasting debate. Build a routine that fits your body, your lifestyle, and your goals. That's the real path to lasting health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.